Alright, I think we're live. Let's go. Um, कोई आने नहीं वाला. So that's the thing. I think 9 बजे start करना था. Um, but I'm starting it at like what 11:14. That's great. Other thing is I can't really share my screen because I'm basically doing like work stuff. Um, like have to see something or put sort. I have to sort something basically. So I'm checking the stuff around that. So I can't really like show my stuff because different laptop also. So it's going to be a Cowork stream basically. This would work well with an audience, by the way, but I'm going to act like there's an audience, but it's fine. So anyway, yeah, what is we going to work? So let me just pull that up and see how it goes. That's a Shashwat usual. Oh my god, Ruben, what is up? Uh, like awake. Actually, my bad, wrong question. What's up? How have you been? Is this not working? What's up? How have you been? What's been up? I will just quit that. Launch. Dude, I need to set up like a on startup Windows script so that automatically like all my stuff gets configured. So yeah, I need Teams. Wait, I need Visual Studio Code because apparently we use Visual Studio. Oh my god, Shashwat, what's up? Why are you here before me? This is so unfair. Shashwat, life is unfair, bro. It's funny. Yeah, sometimes. So yeah, so basically, I'm gonna like talk out loud to myself. You know that I can ban you, right? Damn, I don't think I can ban you, dude. Oh, I can block you. I can't ban you. Shit, dude. Do I not have moderator roles? Crazy, crazy. I trust you, Shashwat. Uh, yeah. You can then say life is unfair. Execute. So the thing is, guys. So also, Ruben, how are you? Yeah, dude. What's up? How's stuff? Although I think we talk like on Twitter every day now. Yeah, what are the comments and whatnot? Do I set up that? By the way, chai is ready. And why are you showing a side angle? Because laptop, ये वाला इधर है. मैं काम इधर कर रहा हूँ. I'm not working on my personal stuff, dude. मैं काम का काम कर रहा हूँ. Because like मेरे को चीजें configure करनी है. And like I have to sort stuff out basically. So yeah. By the way, I have been having a lot of thoughts about life this week. So oh, by the way, background music चल रहा है ना? Yeah, okay, great. So I've been having just a lot of life thought recently. तो I've been noted down like usually होता है हर 4-5 महीने में. शाश्वत तू तो था ही, like you were there. So yeah, I was just making notes of like what all I want to do at least within the next year or like next 2-3 months. Some 2-3 months, some 2-3 years. So yeah, lot of stuff, dude. Lot of stuff. Like it's a whole list. I'm great. I'm waiting. I'm writing some example and some docs for the framework because it's 99%. Oh my god, let's go. How do you both? Have you been? What kind of chai do you consume? Dude, PG life, you can only make like um, e-bag and all. But Taj Mahal, if you're curious. So yeah, chai is ready, by the way. Not PG, bro. You're literally uncle. Yeah. I don't think I'm that uncle to like move into a house right now. It's fine. ओह! नहीं तो 1 सेक Hmm. So normally what kind of chai I like? Um, Milk tea like टपरी चाय. हाँ वैसे तो milk tea होंगे like. So usually I put um, half cup milk, more cup water, like 1.5 cup water. So usually I'm used to that, but otherwise like I'm not finicky with chai unless it's black tea. I hate black tea. Hyderabadi style. इतना नहीं. I'm not sure. Like इतना I don't know. Try Hyderabadi style. Ooh, I will try. Did you see the Iran goal? Dude, I, I don't know what's happening. He was a guy who wanted to send us to Mars. You know, I don't know. Feels like a. Dude, I genuinely think his account is hacked. Or maybe, I don't know. Something's off. Also, Hyderabadi style. Like, I'll ask अगर Bangalore में we get. So yeah, anyway. So the thing that I am trying to debug, which I can't tell you the details, not I don't think I like it's not a restriction, but better not to, because I don't think it's right. But I can give you the general overview. Basically, my Service Bus Explorer is not working. So you know, um, like in the Service Bus Explorer is working, but my locally running service is not picking up the message from the Service Bus Explorer. So I need to sort that out. At least give some direction where I'm going wrong. If not, I will ask my one of the senior devs tomorrow. So manage to put it you. Okay. I'll check that later. Damn dude, everyone's sleeping. Yeah. Account hacked by whoa. You basically make it take water, boil it, put some tea in it and boil it nicely. Take a cup, damn. Account hacked by Shobit. Yeah. Take, take a cup, add sugar, pour the tea water in it. Oh, and then pour hot. Oh, you also won't get the ratio right the first time. Interesting. I will try actually. Dude, so if I'll move into a house, which you never know. But I'm thinking maybe like end year. I'll at least give it a thought. But at least till year end, I'm like happy here. So yeah, I don't really mind anything right now. The thing I would love is be able to make my own chai and not dip tea. But it's good. Don't be attached to stuff. The water should be around quarter of the cup. But तब से you're writing CPU. Oh yeah. Marriage when? Brother. Okay. Senior dev first. Yeah. Okay, so I don't think I need to open Teams. Thank God for that. Microsoft Teams, dude. I'm just kidding. Microsoft is not that bad. Bruh. Marry me when. Oh my god. Damn, Shasha. Okay, dude. So the thing is, in what we thought was wrong, was connection string, but I don't think the connection string is wrong. Also, I'm not gonna be hyperactive right now because it's like 11:30 almost. So, I just want to see what the potential issue could be and then sleep off, or maybe read and then sleep off. Can I get a referral if I become a JS dev? Dude, actually, considering you have a lot of C hash knowledge, if you genuinely want to join, I can actually ask my company. They're looking for good engineers. So, Like considering all the stuff you do, I don't think they have a problem. But the thing is, the stuff that you like, I don't think you will get to do that here. Like it's very, how do I put it? Like you'll be working with Angular and whatnot, you know. Obviously, you work on backend stuff also, but I don't know if you like that. So, can we all agree that JS is the best invention of agree, brother? Damn. Okay. This is not rage bait, by the way. This is I will agree with you guys over here. Use your service bus. Uh-huh. Lot of Azure. Okay, wait. So here's some things I want to try just in general. I was like thinking, what can I do in the next 1 year, 1 2 years, which I want to be good at. Lot of software and hardware engineering. So I want to make both software stuff and hardware stuff and get good at that. So the prototype things is going on. Where last I tried out Kafka, which was pretty. I will make a separate video on Kafka and the prototype I made because it's fun and I like it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. What else? I want to I want to make my split keyboard this year. I want to just get into hardware stuff in general. I want to make like projectors, like a watch, maybe even like the glasses. God knows. So let's see that. Otherwise, I'm thinking to actually start playing chess tournaments like offline and like get a title. At least FIDE master. Let's see, 2 years could go into that, and then I'll retire from chess and pick up a new hobby for the next 5 6 years. Could be anything. Then a lot of stuff I want to do, like all the prototypes I made, I want to make like a production thing for it. So for example, like I want to make a production pubs up thing. I want to make a production, I don't know, event streaming thing, whatever. So, I sorry, I'll probably do that with Bangalore meetups and one more thing that I want to launch before this year, and that I want to like actually take it seriously. So yeah, next to VS Code, dude, I have Visual Studio, not Code, Visual Studio open right now because I have to write C hash. Yeah, 100% agree. Yeah. Shashwat, nahi. VS Code पे तो नहीं. Let's be honest here, guys. Anyway, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to search up on what a service bus and a service bus explorer is because I kind of don't know it. You know what I mean? I have to learn it properly. By the way, service bus explorer, I think I already tweeted. It's that is made in C hash, but it also has Smalltalk. That's what I got to know about Smalltalk. So. Let the dogs go. Is C hash the Objective C for Windows? I don't know Objective C, dude. So, But dude, one thing about co-working team in general, like वैसे तो I'm talking a lot, which you don't usually talk when you're actually working. But I like working from the office, dude. I went to the office, and I wore all formals, by the way. I think I was looking pretty decent. So, like both my senior devs came, and it was fun, like being around them. So, like we're all just working together. They're doing their thing, I'm doing my thing. I had asked one other about like the service bus explorer thing, so he was helping me debug that stuff. And like here's the thing, it's when you want to be a senior dev and you talk to them like every day or like whenever you meet at least, then it's very nice to see how they approach things. Also zoom in zoom out क्यों है बीच में? But yeah, it's very interesting to see how they approach things because they just happen to know a lot. they like, oh, it could be this, it could be that, and they like confirm it or like search it up like that. I'm like, damn, I should like pick up these habits. It's like really really nice. 100% C hash is what Swift is for Mac OS. Oh, interesting. Then what's the Objective C used for? What is Objective C? Like I've heard of it, but I don't know what it is. High level general purpose object oriented programming language that adds small talk mentioned, that adds small talk style messaging to the C programming language. Objective C is a strict superset. TypeScript is a superset, by the way. Objective C is a strict superset of C, meaning that any C program can be compiled with an Objective C compiler. Okay. Wow. It inherits the syntax, primitive types, and flow control statements of C and adds syntax for defining class and methods. Oh, that's what Smalltalk did, right? Smalltalk is like object-oriented. I remember, Luke, when you mentioned this. In Objective C, you can send a message to an object rather than calling a method directly. Interesting. Oh, no, wait. I missed a part. The language is based on message passing to object instances, similar to Smalltalk. In Objective C, you can send a message to an object rather than calling a method directly. Very interesting, dude. That's like very interesting. Swift is more preferred nowadays, but Objective C is still the go-to very niche stuff that there is no bindings for Swift, but Swift and Objective C can be interop very easily. Nice, let's go. Dude, this syntax for this is also very. What's the word for it? It's in TypeScript, dude. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Decorators. The Objective C syntax looks like decorators. I know it's not just a TypeScript thing, but like whatever language. Yeah. Swift abstracts away too much, like literally everything is primitive. Interesting. So I'm going to read some stuff about Azure Service Bus. So you guys will listen, because why not? Azure Service Bus is a fully managed enterprise message broker with message queues and publish subscribe topics. Okay. Service Bus is used to decouple applications and services from each other. Providing the following benefits: load balancing work across competing workers, safely routing and transferring data and control access, service and application boundaries. Okay. Coordinating transactional work that require a high degree of reliability. Okay. Data is transferred between applications and services using messages. Kafka and PubSub mentioned. A message is a container decorated with metadata and contains data. The data can be any kind of information, including structured data encoded with the common formats such as JSON, XML, Apache Avro, and plain text. What does Apache Avro do? So I'm going to switch on the fan. Apache Avro is a data serialization system that provides a compact, fast binary data format. It is widely used for data exchange between systems and for storage. In C hash, you can use the Apache.avro library to serialize and deserialize objects to and from Avro format to use Apache Avro. Interesting. Dude, I should make a proper C hash project on Steam once. That'll be fun. So that's a message. Some common messaging scenarios. So it's basically CPP, but with abstraction compulsion. Sure. I do not understand that, but yes. Decouple applications, load balancing, topic and subscriptions, transactions, ठीक है. Balance sessions. Oh. Hmm. I've added. I have. Whoa, whoa, whoa. By the way, I have to added a mainframe session tomorrow. Like you're giving it or you are getting it. Cobol, by the way. Let's go. If you're familiar with other message brokers like Apache ActiveMQ, oh my god, RabbitMQ mentioned, not exactly, but close. Um, RabbitMQ is Kafka. What is RabbitMQ? Oh, it's just RabbitMQ. My god. Dude, we should do a stream where like we're only going through like these protocols that these things implement because I think this uses what? One broker to queue them all. Oh, I should add this to the prototypes list. Message broker, right? Although I think it's the same call. I'll do it later. Don't be distracted. Anyway, if you're familiar with other message brokers like Apache Active MQ, service bus concepts are similar to what we know. Service bus is a platform as a service offering. A key difference is that you don't need to worry about the following action. Azure takes care of these stores for you, worrying about hardware failures, keeping the operating systems or the products patched. Whoa. Placing logs and managing disk space, handling backups. Okay, so they had any infrastructure for you. I have to attend it. It's in the professional elective subject. I chose this sem. Oh, let's go. Seminar, okay? Session. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Nice. Concepts. Queues. Messages are sent and received from queues. Queues store messages until receiving the application. Wow. Queues store messages until the receiving application is available to receive and process them. Interesting. So it's all full. You're just like not able to send them. I'm yawning like crazy. Messages in queues are ordered and timestamped on arrival. Let's go. Queue is what? LIFO, FIFO. Queue is first in, first out. Stack is last in, first out. Yeah, first in, first out. Once the broker accepts the message is always held durably in triple redundant storage spread across availability zones if the namespace is zone enabled. Interesting. Do this like distributed systems because like imagine it's in one zone, बाकी भी आ जाएंगे. What's a Wi-Fi issue? I think screen is like minimizing beach mein because it's like a Wi-Fi issue. But I don't think it's like strong Wi-Fi right now. It's fine. Anyway, where were we? Service bus keeps messages in memory or volatile storage until client reports them as accepted. Messages are delivered in pull mode. Oh, this is pull and push. Okay, messages are delivered in pull mode, only delivering messages when requested. Unlike the busy polling model of some other cloud queues, the pull operation can be long-lived and only complete once the message is available. Nice. So there's storage queues and service bus queues. Wow. Wow. Oh, I'll sign off. Big sleep. We go and sleep a little bit. Bye. 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 Thank you for joining. Even I'll sleep in a while, dude. I'm very tired. Or like, I don't know. Just like not work at like 11:30. This is not work, but yeah, just let's see. Anyway, topics. You can also use topics to send and receive messages. What? You have queues, then you have topics. You can also use topics to send and receive messages. While a queue is often used for point-to-point communication, topics are useful in publisher-subscriber scenarios. Let's go. I should tweet that. We should tweet that to remember stuff. So yeah. What is this? Queues are for point to point. Topics are for what? What's up, scenarios? Whoa. Yeah, dude. Let's go. Reach it. Done. Anyway, getting back. Um, Topics can have multiple independent subscriptions which attach to the topic and otherwise work exactly like queues from the receiver side. A subscriber to a topic can receive a copy of each message sent to that topic. Subscriptions are named entities. Subscriptions are durable by default, but can be configured to expire and then be automatically deleted via the Java message service API. Java mentions Rashul. Service was premium also. Premium. Also allows you to create volatile subscriptions that exist for the duration of the connection. Whoa. You can define rules on a subscription. A subscription rule has. Oh, yeah. You can define rules on a subscription. A subscription rule has a filter to define a condition for the message to be copied into the subscription and an optional action that can modify the message metadata. For example, see topic filters and actions. Yes, this feature is useful in the following scenario. You don't want a subscription to receive all messages sent to a topic. You want to mark up messages with extra metadata when they pass through a subscription. Let's go. Bye bye, sir. Oh my god, you're going. Good night. Thank you for joining. Bro, sabhi ja rahe, to even I'll like shut off. Chalo, but I will keep the stream up. Not bad. So thank you for joining. Bye bye. Good night.